is Bubar, and today I'm going to be making cheesecake bars. I just found this recipe from the SmittenKitchen, so let's get started. First up, we're going to make the first part of this delicious cheesecake bars. This is the base, the graham cracker crumbs, so you're going to add exactly 2 cups of crushed up and fine graham crackers. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. This is organic sugar, followed by just a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna add vanilla bean paste to just make sure that comes out. Then we're gonna add butter while we're whisking it in so everything just can combine together. There we go. Now let's just mix this all together and let it come. So now that this is all mixed and incorporated together, we're now gonna place it in and gently push it down all the way towards the sides so it can come up and lock it in. You want to make sure you get all of this. Just push it towards the sides. You can even go in there and use your hands. Push them all the way to the corner, just so this can be the base of our cheesecake. So now that our crust is finished, we're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, so now that the crust is in the oven, we're gonna work on our batter. We're gonna cream together 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese and 1 cup of sugar, but before that, we're gonna quickly whisk together these 4 eggs. We just wanna make sure that we're not putting too much mixing into the bowl, so we can already just beat them together. So now we are gonna add our 3 blocks of Philadelphia cream cheese. Just add them separately one by one. Then we are also gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. And just start mixing away with it. All right, so now that the cream cheese and sugar is now mixed, we are gonna slowly add in our whisked eggs just a tiny bit by a tiny bit. All right, so now that our eggs are combined with the batter, we are now gonna add pure vanilla, about 1 teaspoon, but you can do more if you like. All right, so now that the crust is done, we're gonna take it out and set it on our oven rack. There we go. The crust is done, let's pour it on. Now let's put this baby in the oven for 25 minutes. All right, so now that our crust and our batter is in the oven right now, we're gonna make our sour cream topping. So right here, I have 2 cups of sour cream. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is still organic sugar. And then we're just gonna whisk in some vanilla, pure vanilla, 1 tablespoon. All right, so let's just combine this together and it will turn into a yummy sour cream topping. Alright, so now that this is done, we're going to take it out of the oven and put our cream topping on. Alright, so now let's pour our sour cream topping all over it. We're going to do it very smoothly and gently because this is very jiggly and it just came out of the oven, so be very careful while you're doing this. So now that the sour cream topping is all spread evenly over the batter, let's put it back in the oven again for 10 minutes. So now let's take it out of the oven. Looks really good and jiggly. Alright, so now that we put the toppings on, this is the finished result of cheesecake bars with fruits on top.